Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot create account. Your account cannot be created at this time on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to create a new your Apple ID, but you're facing the issue that you see a message your account could not be created at this moment. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue? So very first you just have to go back, you have to open the settings app. Very first you have to check that you're connected to a strong internet connection. You can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go for general here, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Then go for language and region and select your own region in which you're living. After that, go back from here and go to software update. If you find any pending software update here, try to update your software. Then again, go back, and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. Or another thing, you can try to reset your network setting. So if there will be any issue with your network setting, it will be fixed in the steps. Open the settings app. Go for general. Go for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset. Select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then select Reset Network Settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. After that, your issue will be fixed. If it's just a network issue, if your issue is still not fixed, you just have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support app. Open your browser and simply search for Apple Support. Open the first website from here. Select your device. In my case, I'm going to select my iPhone from here. Just scroll down and you will get the option of Get Support. Under Get Support tab and Start Now option, I have already installed Apple Support apps. It is opening in my app. In your case, it will open in your browser. This type interface, in this tab and this More option, then select App Store. And here, just wait for this loading. Then tap on Get More Help. Then tap on Call Us. After that, you will find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.